Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to share projects in Whimsical in 2026. Whether you want to collaborate with teammates or simply send your work to someone, sharing your project is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open the board or project you want to share. Next, click the **share ** button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the sharing options for your project. Now, enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite or create a shareable link. You can choose the appropriate permission level, such as view, comment, or edit, depending on what access you want others to have. If you're using a team workspace, you can also adjust workspace sharing settings to control who can access the project. This helps keep your files secure while making collaboration easier. Once you've selected your sharing options, send the invitation or copy the link and share it with your teammates, clients, or anyone else who needs access. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Whimsical project. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.